Let's see if it starts. I'm getting pretty sick of babysitting your ass with the specifics. So the other day I'm making a video on how to drop start correctly, and I go like this and push the chain brake with my palm, and we get a keyboard warrior that's like,
you can't use your palm to close the chain brake because it's a bad habit, and now you're taking bad habits, and I don't like you.
So, two things. One, he's right. That's not how you use a chain brake anyways. No one's gonna hold their chainsaw like this and do that while they're using it. You're going to engage it like that, and then it's called a wrist roll. You roll your wrist forward, and that engages the chain brake. That's a technique that the Forest Service teaches you. It's called lock and walk. Lock and walk. Your ass out of my comment section. Anyways, follow me for more tips like this. Follow me for more professional, serious, very specific chainsaw tips like this. Let's see if it starts.